people, this is your girl TASHNEE-V. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. To all my friends and family, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So guys, today I'm here doing the unboxing. I've bought something from Alot. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to open this package just right now just to show you guys what is inside, because I bought some eyeshadows and I just want to see how they look. So yeah, so let me just unbox this box and let me show you what it's inside. I can't wait to see what it's inside. So this is the box, guys, and it comes with this paper. Wow, like I bought something from Revolution, and yeah, I bought this and I bought this eyeshadows, and I bought this eyeshadow also, and I did buy this one from Catrice. It's this white pen like this. So let me put this thing here. So the Revolution eyeshadow, I don't know if you can see that. So this is how it looks, and okay, let me see inside how it does. So guys, this is how it looks. I love them, like they're so beautiful. So I'm going to try them making a video, and I will show you guys how they look. Okay, so okay guys, so yeah, this is how I bought this one on special. I really do love it. And the other one that I love, wow, I love this one. Looks like a zebra. See how it looks. So this one, it's a Revolution Makeup Revolution London Integrity Wild Animal Palette. So yeah, this is how it looks. So let's see how it looks inside, guys. I'm super excited. Wow, I love this. And see, wow, this is beautiful. It brings the mirror. It has a nice mirror, and the colors like are popping. Like, see, and there's this plastic here, like the colors are really popping, guys. You know what, I can't wait like to try this eyeshadows. I can't wait. And yeah guys, so this is how it looks. So yeah, let's see the other one. Ooh, I just love this blue, you know. It's, guys, I love the packaging. I think the packaging is the bomb. I think it's beautiful. Wow, I really can't wait to try this. You know what, like yeah, I'm going to buy another one. I think they have 3 of these, so I only bought 2 when it comes to this animal, with this animal palettes. Yeah, so the other one that I have with me is this one here. So this one is fierce, and it's a wild animal palette also. So it's the same as the other one. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is so beautiful. And let's see how it looks inside, guys. I'm so excited, guys. Wow, I love the colors. Like, they're so beautiful and bright. Like, I think, guys, as you can see, look at this. Look at these colors, like they're so beautiful. I can't wait. You know what, I can't wait to create something magical with these colors. Yeah, this is how it looks. And yeah guys, this you can see it's beautiful. And the thing that I love about this packaging, it's the mirror. Like, you know, it has this beautiful clear mirror. Like, I can see myself inside of this mirror. Like, everything of this packaging, like, it's very nice. I think Revolution, they did an outstanding job when it comes to this. I really do love this palette. Yes, I really do. And I bought some kajal. It's white. It's a Catrice. It's from Catrice. This is how it looks. So this is the eyeliner pencil. It's white in color, as you can see. Bear with me, guys. I have flu, and yeah, it's been like killing me so badly. And yeah guys, as you can see, I was telling you, and this is from Catrice Cosmetics. I think you can see the name there. I really want to try this. I did have the eyeliner, the white eyeliner that I bought. So yeah, I lost it, and I want to try this one also. But I think it's, let's see. Wow, I think it's gonna do a good job. yeah, it's pure white and I really do love it. So guys, this is all that I bought from Take a Lot, and it only took 3 days for them to ship this to me. So yeah, I'm going to try them because I really wanted to. It's been long since I wanted to try like cosmetics from Take a Lot. So yeah, sorry guys. So this is the three things that I bought from Take a Lot, the four things that I bought from Take a Lot, and the delivery came within 2 days. Like they said to me, it's gonna take 7 days, but actually it came within 2 to 3 days. I think it was the third day when I received them. So I really do love them, and I'm really going to try this because the shipping was fast, and you know that's what I love about them. The shipping, it's very very fast. So yeah guys, so I'm so super excited and happy. So guys, stay tuned. So this girl, I only came to do the unboxing with you guys. So right now this girl has to bounce. I shall see you again on my next video. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friend. Ciao, bye. Of my videos. So ciao, bye, see you next time. May God bless you all.